Okay, guys, this is our hotel. Hotel Ostsee Anker. Good. And this is the front side. Oh wow, there's a restaurant behind the hotel. Yeah, yeah, das ist geil. I will not be hungry here. Ist arm? Was? Yep. Danke.
Wir können jetzt wieder Deutsch sprechen.
Ja.
Hallo. Ja, Zimmer reserviert? Was braucht man? Georgi
Also
Lutz?
eigentlich brauchen wir den Namen.
Georgi Lutz.
Dann schauen wir mal rauf. Ja.
Danke. So guys, we are going to the room. We have room number 12. Ah, hier. Vielleicht? Recht noch.
Ja.
Recht. Mit S. Keine Treppe da. Ah, hier. Hinten. Gut. Ach. Ja. Sorry na. Oh wow! How many kilometers? How many kilometers? Meters is this? Oh wow! So we will start here. Here we can hang our clothes, and we have a nice cabinet here with 3 knobs. Oh, this is so nice, baby. Can we stay here for a week? Sure. And then another. Wait, guys. I will put my bag here. And then here.
Das ist ja das Klasse, dass das Restaurant gute Tag hat, genau in den 2 Tagen.
Ja. Dann wir essen in der andere. Alles gut.
Ja.
Here. Oh, a nice bath. Spiegel. Toilet. Some more stuffs here. Shower. Very nice shower. Good. We have some towels here. Yeah, and then here conditioner and shampoo gel, it's also included. Nice. And here on the side we have how do you call this in English? Blower, hair blower, cups for our toothbrush, toothpaste for cleaning your teeth. Here we have a soap, nice. Yeah, nice. Here we have a nice lamp. I think you will need to. Good. Nice lamp. And you got a couch. Oh, maybe we can just stay here. It's yeah, and then here a table. And then also here a commode. We have free water. We got free water. Is this water? Yeah, I think so. This water. Nice. Can opener, a TV, a heater. And this window, guys, it can be closed. Here. Good. I cannot reach it, but yeah, you know what I mean.
If you are not so small, then you can close it.
And we have free candy. It says Danke means thank you. Oh, nice. Look at this nice bed. With pillows. and some small pillows, the fish, and deke, and maybe I will open this. Oh yeah? Should I? That. Okay, good. Some. Here, you have a small table again. Here. And look, this is the opening of the balcony. That's so nice. Here in the balcony, it is connected to the other balcony of the other guests. Yeah. But this is our chair here, no? I think so.
Ja, Tür, das zeige ich dir nachher, musst du ein bisschen öffnen.
So, this, and this is the view. This is the view, guys. And this is the other balcony, guys. It's so nice.
Hier ist noch was da oben, das können wir dann immer das.
Yep. Schön. Sehr, sehr schön.
So, jetzt wollen wir uns was zeigen.
A few moments later.
Hier waren schon 6000 nur auf die Fotos, ne?
Yeah. Hi guys. We are now sitting in the restaurant. The hotel that we booked have its own restaurant, and we already ordered our food and drinks.
Sorry,
Yeah, that's good.
mein Netz ist weg.
I'm drinking now bitter lemon, and Lutz is drinking wie immer beer. I ordered Jäger Schnitzel. Jäger Schnitzel is like like a Japanese version of katsudon, but German style. Like a German version of katsudon. It's a pork and then breaded with some French fries and sauce. The sauce is Jaeger. That's why it's called Jäger Schnitzel. Yeah, with some mushroom, brown sauce like gravy. And Lutz ordered his rump steak. I will show later. So baby, what can you say about our travel going here from Copenhagen to Langballig?
About the travel?
Yeah.
The travel was, 3 Stunden ungefähr.
3 hours? 3.5?
Yeah, 3.5 hours, yeah, but it was okay. A lot of rain during the way, and yeah, now we are here.
Yeah, that our
Baby
room
likes
now
the-
is so
Baby likes
nice.
the hotel,
Yeah, it's so nice.
The mission is complete for me. It's
so
pity,
nice.
that we only here for
Yeah.
2 days, also 2 nights, 3 days. This is already it's already late now, and the first night is coming, so
Yeah.
the only free day is tomorrow then. And
Then we will go back to
we
Germany.
must go back. Must go back.
Yeah.
And let's see what we do when we are back in Zwickau.
Yeah, also Saturday we need to help our friends.
Ja, da ist
Moving
noch,
the house.
The birthday from Andrea is noch.
Yeah, first
We have Umzug.
on Saturday we need to help moving their things from their apartment to the house that they renovate and they own now. And then in the afternoon we will attend a 40th birthday of a friend. Yeah.
Was haben wir noch?
Erstmal das.
Nur das.
Kegeln, Freitag.
Ja, Kegel noch am Freitag vielleicht.
9 on Friday. Every week Lutz attend his 9 as a sport, no? And also swimming 2 times a week if the time will allow. So guys, I will show you first the view here. I don't know if you can see it because it's against the light. Oh yes. That's the beach. I find this place so nice. This is a place that maybe someday we will go back or something like that. This is so nice. If only Copenhagen is like this. Then the 5 days there or 4 days was so nice.